2-in-1 double-sided cutting board. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived in some nice looking packaging here, and it was shrink wrapped inside so that it arrived safely. And they give you some little maintenance and care tips that come along with it too. The 2-in-1 reversible cutting board weighs in at about 2.5 pounds, so it feels very sturdy. It is a little over 15 inches long, about 10.5 inches wide, and a little over a 1/2 inch thick. Perfect in my case because I can open my microwave door over the top of it. I like that. On one side we have the titanium, and on the other side we have kind of a textured wheat straw polypropylene. So this is going to be perfect for separating raw meat from any other food item that you want to prep. On the wheat straw side there are 4 elevated edges, and on this side the lip provides the elevation so that the cutting surface never actually lays flat on the countertop. On the wheat straw side there's also a juice groove that goes around the whole thing that holds about 200 milliliters to keep liquids from spilling off of the board and onto the counter. And there's a built-in garlic grinding area. Probably work good for carrots too, whatever you want to use it for. After you're done using it, it is super easy to wipe off with a cloth or clean it in the sink. And you have the option of hanging it up by using this handle here, or not, it's up to you. It's low profile enough to fit into a drawer or a shelf. So there you go, a hygienic 2-sided, lightweight, easy to clean cutting board. Pretty versatile, like the handle, nice addition to my kitchen, I love it.